How long should you boil chicken before frying it?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be answering the question of how long you should boil chicken before frying it. Boiling chicken is a great way to ensure that it is fully cooked before frying, and it can also help make the meat more tender and juicy.
Why should you boil chicken before frying it?
Before we get into how long to boil chicken, let's talk about why you should boil it before frying. Chicken needs to be fully cooked before you eat it to avoid any risk of foodborne illness. Boiling it ensures that it is cooked all the way through, especially if you are planning to fry it for a shorter amount of time.
How long should you boil chicken?
The amount of time you should boil chicken before frying it can vary depending on the size of the chicken pieces. For example, if you are boiling chicken breasts, they will cook faster than larger pieces like thighs or drumsticks. Generally, you should boil chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes before frying it. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, before it is safe to eat. You can use a meat thermometer to check the temperature.
How to boil chicken before frying it?
To boil chicken before frying it, follow these steps. 1. Place the chicken pieces in a pot and add enough water to cover them. 2. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. 3. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the chicken simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Use a meat thermometer to check that the internal temperature of the chicken has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. 5. Remove the chicken from the pot and pat it dry with paper towels before frying. In summary, boiling chicken before frying it is a great way to ensure that it is fully cooked and tender. You should boil chicken for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces, and make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, before frying. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!